Some of our customers have in-house production teams. They have videographers, they have editors, and they're trying to figure out how to grow their YouTube channel. So one of our service is to provide YouTube training to the in-house video production team. We've worked with a lot of brands wherein we've trained their in-house resources to optimize the production schedule, to optimize video edits for YouTube, and ensure that there is a consistent high quality content which is going out. The way we do this is we help them figure out the kind of content which is needed for YouTube, the kind of edits which need to be done to increase audience retention in a YouTube video, and then finally how to set up a content schedule and make sure that all of your editing workflows and your production workflows ensure that you deliver on that content schedule which is determined. Now in this service, the way we work is this: we come down to your office, to your production studio, and understand how you're managing all these aspects. We have detailed checklists on every process which need to be followed for YouTube. We'll try to share this in a blog post. Do check out the link in the description here. And if you're watching on our website, I'll try to give this as a downloadable where you can download the checklist, wherein our goal is to see from this checklist the existing video production workflow, how does it vary, and the existing YouTube publishing workflow, how does it vary. We try to align your team to maintain that production workflow. This is repeated, optimized, and after a month it is reviewed to ensure that you're actually getting most out of your YouTube marketing activity. So if you have any questions about how to set up your own YouTube video production team, do let us know and reach out to us.